Ever watch a fireworks display and wonder, how on earth do they do that? From their brilliant colors to their thunderous booms, fireworks have mesmerized audiences for centuries. But what exactly goes into these dazzling displays of light and sound? What's the magic behind the spectacle that lights up our night skies on special occasions? The answer lies in a fascinating blend of chemistry, physics, and a little bit of artistic flair. Well, prepare to ignite your curiosity as we journey into the world of fireworks. The magic of fireworks didn't just appear out of thin air. The story of their origin is as colorful as the displays we admire today. Fireworks were born over 2,000 years ago in ancient China. It all started with a simple quest to ward off evil spirits. The early Chinese alchemists mixed sulfur, charcoal, and other ingredients, creating a powder that, when ignited, produced loud noises and flashes of light. This concoction, now known as gunpowder, was packed into bamboo shoots and set alight, resulting in the first primitive fireworks. Over centuries, the art and science of fireworks evolved and spread across the world, from the royal courts of Europe to the festive celebrations of the Americas. They've been used to commemorate victories, celebrate festivities, and enthrall audiences everywhere. From humble beginnings to spectacular global displays, fireworks have certainly made their mark. The beauty of fireworks isn't just magic, it's pure science. Picture this, a dark sky illuminated by an explosion of vibrant colors and fascinating shapes. It's not a random spectacle, but a precise scientific phenomenon. Let's start with the basics. A firework is a type of pyrotechnic that uses exothermic chemical reactions to produce heat, light, sound, and gas. The core of a firework is a shell containing stars, each a tiny pellet of pyrotechnic composition. When ignited, these stars burn and release colored light, a process known as incandescence. But what about the array of colors we see in a firework display? Well, that's all down to chemistry. Different chemical compounds produce different colors when they burn. For example, strontium and lithium compounds create red, copper produces blue, and barium yields green. By carefully selecting and mixing these chemicals, pyrotechnicians can create a rainbow of colors in the night sky. Now let's talk about the physics of fireworks. Each firework is launched into the air by a mortar, a type of cannon. Inside the mortar, a gunpowder-filled shell explodes, propelling the firework skyward. Once at the right altitude, a second explosion occurs, igniting the stars and creating the beautiful display we associate with fireworks. There are various types of fireworks, each designed to create a unique effect. Some explode in a simple spherical shape, while others create complex patterns like hearts, stars, or even faces. Chrysanthemum fireworks, for instance, explode into a spherical shape with trails of light that resemble a flower's petals. Willow fireworks, on the other hand, create trails of light that fall slowly, mimicking a weeping willow tree. In essence, each firework is a carefully crafted science project, combining principles of chemistry and physics to create a spectacle of light and sound. So, the next time you see a firework, remember, it's not just a pretty light, it's a symphony of science. Fireworks are not just science, they're an art form. A statement that rings true when we delve into the mastery of firework creation. This captivating process begins with the selection of raw materials. The main ingredients are a blend of chemicals and metals, chosen specifically to produce the desired colors and effects. For instance, strontium creates a red flame, while barium produces green. Copper gives us blue, and sodium, a brilliant yellow. Next comes the creation of stars, the small pellets that generate the vibrant points of light we see in a firework display. Each star is meticulously crafted, combining the chosen chemicals with a binder to hold everything together. They are then left to dry, transforming into the spectacle catalysts they're destined to be. The creation of breaks follows. These are the compartments within a firework shell that hold the stars. Each break is thoughtfully arranged and filled with stars and a burst charge. The arrangement of breaks determines the pattern of the firework, from a simple starburst to intricate shapes like hearts and smiley faces. The assembly of shells is the next step in this artistic process. The breaks are carefully placed into a paper casing, alternating with layers of burst charges and delay fuses. The delay fuses are timed perfectly to ignite each break at the right moment, allowing the firework to unfold in a spectacular sequence. Designing the display is the final stage, and perhaps the most imaginative part of the process. This is where the artistry truly shines, as the firework creators choreograph a sky dance of light and color. They decide the order and timing of each firework, creating a symphony of visual delight that takes our breath away. And at every stage, safety is paramount. Firework creation is an art, yes, but it's an art that involves volatile substances. Proper protective equipment, careful handling, and strict safety protocols are always followed to ensure the process is as safe as it is fascinating. Creating fireworks is like painting the sky, with each explosion a stroke of the artist's brush. The art of firework creation is indeed a marvel, a blend of science and art that lights up our nights with a spectacle of color and sound. From a spark of curiosity to a sky full of knowledge, we've journeyed together through the captivating world of fireworks. We've traced their enchanting history, originating from ancient China, where they were first invented to ward off evil spirits, to their modern use in celebrations worldwide. We've delved into the fascinating science behind these dazzling displays. We've discovered how the combination of heat, fuel, and oxygen ignites a chemical reaction that results in a burst of color and sound. We've learned about the various ingredients and components, such as the stars and breaks, that give fireworks their characteristic shapes and hues. Moreover, we've explored the intricate art of firework creation. We've seen how raw materials are carefully selected and assembled into shells, and how these shells are meticulously designed and executed to produce a breathtaking spectacle in the sky. Throughout this journey, we've also underscored the importance of safety precautions in handling and making fireworks. Remember, while they are beautiful to watch, fireworks are essentially controlled explosions, and should be treated with utmost respect and caution. Next time you see a firework, you'll not just see a spectacle, but a story of history, science, and art. So, what's your favorite firework show? If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.